Hello everyone. So in this video we will discuss the question and answer of SSB Botany 2021. This video will be part 2. So we will discuss the question number 51 to 100. So coming to the question number 51. So peridome is composed of. So it is composed of phylem, phylogeny and phylodome. So option D will be the correct one. Coming to the question number 52, the cells functionally associated with sieve tubes are companion cells. So option B will be the correct one. Coming to question number 53, anomalous secondary growth in the stem of Boravia is due to the formation of successive rings of cambium. So option A will be the correct one. Coming to question number 54, in case of diarch roots, the lateral roots arise from the pericycle at the region between the xylem and phloem bundles. So option C will be the correct one. Coming to question number 55, maturation of stamens and carpels of flowers at different times is called dichogamy. So here the stamen and carpels of the flower mature at different time. Question number 56, peridome is remains of nucellus. Option C will be the correct one. Coming to question number 57, chromosome number of the endosperm cell of hybrid seeds raised by a cross between a diploid female and a tetraploid male angiospermic plants is 16. So what will be the chromosome number of the endosperm cell of hybrid seeds raised by a cross between a tetraploid female and diploid male? So here, the option B will be the correct one, that is 20. Coming to question number 58. When embryo sac develops from the cells of nucellus or integuments, the phenomenon is called. So here there is two probabilities there. One is your apomixis, another one is the adventitious embryony. So the most appropriate answer is the adventitious embryony. Coming to question number 59. Filiform apparatus is characteristic features of cellular endosperm. So option A will be the correct one. So the filiform apparatus is characteristic features of synergid. So option B will be the correct one. Coming to question number 60, find the odd man out on the basis of seed dispersal mechanism. So for the seed dispersal mechanism, wings, pappus and coma are common to each other, but jaculator is different one. So it is the odd one. Option A will be the correct one. Coming to question number 61, continuity of cytoplasm from one cell to adjacent cell in higher plants is established through symplast. Option B will be the correct one. Coming to question number 62, at incipient plasmolysis, water potential, that is psi W of the cell, is assumed to be equal to here psi S. At the time of incipient plasmolysis, psi S is equal to psi W. So solid potential is equal to water potential, psi W. Coming to question number 63, Copper deficiency causes a disease in fruit trees called Dex, where gums are secreted and deposited on bark. So this is the exanthema. Is the right answer. Option B will be the correct one. So next, sorry. Question number 64. Water absorbed by roots hairs from the soil. So that is capillary water. Coming to question number 65. Carbon dioxide acceptor in C4 plant is the PEP, that is phosphoenol pyruvate. Option C will be the correct one. Question number 66. Which pigment system is inactivated during red drop? So during red drop, the pigment which is inactivated, that is the PS2, photosystem 2. Option B will be the correct one. Question number 67. The active form of enzyme Rubisco is this enzyme CO2 Mg2 plus complex. So option C will be the correct one. Coming to question number 68. Which one of the following enzymes catalyzes the reversible reaction during glycolysis? So the enzyme is phosphoglycerol kinase. Option C will be the correct one. Coming to question number 69. FAD acts as an electron acceptor in between succinate and fumarate. So option B will be the correct one. Question number 70. Correct sequence of electron acceptor in ATP synthesis. So you can memorize by means of your BC1C AA3. BC1C AA3. So that is the sequence. So option B will be the correct one. Question number 71. Select the type of enzyme involved in the following reaction: XCCY, C11C, XY. So it's a kind of lineage enzyme. So enzyme involved in this reaction is the lineage. Coming to question number 72. The process of oxidation of ammonia to nitrites and nitrates by microbes is called nitrification. Option C will be the correct one. Question number 73. Which is not a component of phytochrome? So chromoplast is not a component of your phytochrome. So in the phytochrome, you'll get photosensory domain or photoreceptor, PK, protein kinase domain, then chromophore. Chromoplast is not present in the phytochrome. Coming to question number 74. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? So Ga, gibberellic acid, that is leaf fall. So that is not associated with leaf fall. So option A will be the correct one. IAA induces cell wall elongation, cytokinin senescence, and for the stomatal closure, abscisic acid is helpful. So option A is the false one. So that will be option A will be the correct one. Coming to question number 75. Treatment of seeds at low temperature under moist condition for a long period of time to break the dormancy. So that is called stratification. Question number 76. The minimum time required for stimulus to produce response in plant is called presentation time. Question number 77. Amount of soil water available to plants is called Crizard. Icard is the amount of water not available and Hollard is the Icard plus Crizard. Question number 78. Keystone species in community are those present in maximum number. This is not correct. That are more frequent. That is also not correct. Then attaining a large biomass, that is also not correct. So that they have important role in community dynamics. So keystone species are that they have important role in the community dynamics. Option D will be the correct one. Coming to question number 79. Niche of a species in an ecosystem refers to function at its place of occurrence. So that is called your niche of the ecosystem. Niche of a species in an ecosystem. Question number 80. It is the about biological oxygen demand of a pond is very low. Means its water is clean. So in case of your polluted water, the BOD is remain high. Coming to question number 81. Which statement is correct regarding ion channels? So they are small extrinsic protein. It is not correct. So movement through them is by facilitated diffusion. So this might be correct. So movement of ions in form lower to higher concentration. This is also not correct. So only one type of ions pass through the same type of channel. So here there is a probability of option B and option C will be D will be the right answer. So if you look into the most appropriate one, so option D will be the correct one. So only one type of ions pass through the same type of channel. So option D will be the correct one. So now coming to question number 82. Glyoxysomes contain enzymes that initiate the conversion of fatty acids to sugar. The enzymes that is contained by glyoxysome that convert the fatty acid into sugars. So coming to question number 83. The microtubules are associated with two motor proteins which provide energy to take part in various cellular movements. So these are kinesin and dynein. So option B will be the correct one. Sorry. Question number 84. More than one codon codes for one type of amino acid. So these characteristics of genetic code is, so this is the degeneracy of the genetic code. So where, so one amino acid, one codon codes for more than, one type of amino acid will be coded by more than one codon. So sorry for the inconvenience. So coming to question number 85. A cytoplasmic factor MPF is responsible for controlling the transition from G2 to M during cell division. So MPF is it's a hormone, it's not a hormone. So it's a dimer of cyclin protein and a protein kinase. So option B will be the correct one. Coming to question number 86. So during Pectin stage, large vesicles appears at intervals on synaptonymal complex, which contains all enzymes and other factors necessary for crossing over. So the vesicles are called recombination nodule. Coming to question number 87, which of the following statement is correct? So here option D, that is the Z-DNA has left-handed helical sense. Option D will be the correct one. Coming to question number 88, proofreading during prokaryotic DNA synthesis is done by, so that will be polymerase 1, and that is from 3' to 5' direction. Option A will be the correct one. Coming to question number 89, in a tryptophan operon, tryptophan acts as a, so the tryptophan acts as co-repression. Coming to question number 90, what type of genotypes are expected when a plant with capital A, small a, capital B genotype is self-pollinated? So here you will get 1:2:1. So 1 for capital A, capital B, 2 for capital A, small a, capital B, and 1 for small a, capital B. So option D will be the correct one. Coming to question number 91, which of the following statement is correct? So here, in case of your Raphanum brassica, it is an ampidiploid. So option B will be the correct one. Coming to question number 92, substitution of a purine base by a pyrimidine base causing gene mutation. So the kind of mutation, so we can call it as transversion. Transition is the purine by purine and pyrimidine by pyrimidine, that will be transition. If purine is replaced by pyrimidine or vice versa, that is pyrimidine is replaced by purine, so that will be transversion. So option B will be the correct one. Coming to question number 93, which method of selection is applied mainly in cross-pollinated plant? So in case of cross-pollinated plant, so mass selection is the most important kind of selection method. Coming to question number 94, who explained organic evolution on the basis of gene mutation, changes in chromosome structure and number? So genetic recombination, natural selection and reproductive isolation. So here the scientist G.L. Stebbins. Option C will be the correct one. Coming to question number 95, which of the following statements regarding micropropagation is not true? For the micropropagation, so this option C, that is to get more variation for further selection, is not true. So for production of true to type plants, that is true. Then for production of virus-free plant, that is also true. So not true, that is to get more variants from further selection. So coming to question number 96, recognition sequence for EcoR1 H GATTC. It's a kind of your palindromic sequence. Option B will be the correct one. Question number 97, golden rice possesses 4 transgenes to enhance its levels of iron and beta carotene. So the genes for beta carotene biosynthesis were transferred from daffodil. So D will be the correct one. Coming to question number 98, one of the most commonly used reporter genes for the purpose of gene transfer in cat gene So what is the full form of your CAT? So CAT stands for chloramphenicol acetyl transferase. So option B will be the correct one. Coming to question number 99. Which of the following statement is true? So true is white pepper is the dried ripe fruit of black pepper without pericarp. So option C will be the correct one. Coming to the last question, question number 100. Nowadays, the orthodox method of tea processing is replaced by CTC method. So the CTC stands for, so C stands for crushing, then T for tearing, and C for curling. So this is all about from question number 51 to 100. So thank you for watching the video. So I will provide the video link of part 1 in the description box. Kindly check it. Okay, so thank you all of you.